Hello guys, and today I'm going to be playing some Fortnite Battle Royale. And you probably won't see me much because I'll be up there. I've never recorded a video of Fortnite on a PC, but I'm playing on the PS4 with my remote. Okay. Wait. Yeah, this is my PS4 remote. Simple one. We're gonna be playing squad, and yeah, just play. I am level 40, tier 32. I'm just trying to get a great angle. I'm level 40. Donut. I haven't yet got the battle pass, but I would like midnight off. I'm tier 32 if you didn't know. I haven't been playing this game much. A problem occurred. No. One sec. How was he playing? What's he playing then? Not sure. Yeah, just before we do that, there's a breaking point. Prismatic, dab. The shadow of midnight art, which looks very cool. She's an epic spectre. Cool. No, I can't do enough. Okay, I'm gonna keep playing until I get it. Yeah. There's a new guided missile. Guys, I think I might only get one match in today. But there's nothing in my chat. Please work. Yes. If you can't tell, I am Spurs Jim. Who died? Okay, this is now what we're at. And where we going? You wanna go there? Okay. I am skydiving. Okay, I'm gliding now. For real? Did he get my sniper? Some greedy people in Fortnite.